The second to last trading day of 2023. It's crazy to even say that. Today's trading session was a one and done sort of situation for myself. I bought the lows of the session. You're going to see that now play out and how I was able to manage that trade. You can watch these trades live every day at market open at my main channel, Trades by Matt. So come hang out in the streams or just enjoy these recaps. Make sure you subscribe to the recap. All the important stuff that I use is linked down in the description. So make sure you check those out. I appreciate it. And let's go ahead and enjoy the recap for today. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing good. First official stream on my channel since Christmas. And one of the last ones of the year. No stream on Monday. There will be a stream on Tuesday and Wednesday. And then no stream on Thursday or Friday of next week. So fun stuff. I traded on Tuesday. I did not trade yesterday. I went and saw my parents yesterday. So a lot of driving yesterday. Tuesday was very boring. Let's see. Yeah, yesterday looks horrendously boring as well. And we'll see what happens today. I'm not personally anticipating much, okay? That being said, I will be watching crude oil a little bit. It's down 1%, so like at least there's some movement in some capacity. I just don't know if it's going to continue into regular night or into regular trading hours here, but we'll see. But I do have crude oil up as well as the Nasdaq. So I'll be flipping flopping between those two. Tell me, how was your week of trading, Ben? How was your Christmas? All right, how was your holiday or Christmas if you celebrate it, or Boxing Day or whatever? How was the holidays? How was your time off? That's question one. Question two is, how has trading been this week? Like I said, I think it's going to be a little slow, but we got 30 seconds till the market opens here. I'm almost tempted to take the 1 minute breakout trade. Although we're so choppy, I bet it just gets stopped out immediately. All right, let's see if we're going to actually round out here or not. It's an interesting spot to be long or to long off of the 20s. But I want us to round out. We do have some size still. Like these orders have been just kind of split. Split 10 points off. They're doing that whole thing again where they move it 10 points off of the actual price that's ticking right now. So they got what, 100 up there and 100, yeah, 70 down there, or 100. There's the 100. And they'll move it, you know, they'll just keep it even spread. So not much to be talked about in terms of this large liquidity because they're just going to run it down with the price. We'll watch that yesterday's settlement. That'll be interesting, around 15 or so, and then yesterday's value area high. Both interesting spots. Other than that, though, all right, coming into yesterday's value area high soon. And I'm going to take that off of yesterday's value area high. Overall, nice little sweep to the downside off of 28. Exciting candle. 10 points. A little over 10 points. One of the biggest moves of the session. Kind of sad when you think about it. Look at buyers here looking the best they've looked on the entire session down here. Someone asked if I'm watching for the short back at 27.5. Maybe. I kind of want to see, just based on how Delta's kind of reacting here down at these lows, I'm actually going to wait and see what happens at 28. Well, volume and really all the 20s, but I'm kind of eyeing VWAP right now, actually. Just with how we're kind of stair-stepping on Delta for the first time all session. But that doesn't mean that, you know, that's just what I'm looking at. That doesn't mean it's the right thing. You follow some stranger on YouTube that you never met. If you're following their trades and their call-outs and stuff to a T, you're just destined to fail. So keep that in mind. We're just talking through ideas more than anything, right? I'm talking through ideas. I don't even have an order up at VWAP. I could kill this trade right now if I wanted to. All right, hanging out the magical 20s here. Tested point of control. We got very close to testing point of control. Buyers still look good. We're above the overnight lows. We got VWAP and value area high, both at like 32-ish. We got that swing low off of right just before the open at 34 or so. VWAP at 34, value area high on the session at 31. That will be my target. And we might push a lot higher, but it's the what I would call the more high probability exit, which I want. This trade's up 15 points. Give or take a few points as of right now. I'm looking for 22 points. All right, next try of 28 here. Let's see if we can do it. Can we do it? Nope, not yet. Yeah, make sure you press the thumbs up button if you're watching. Make sure you press the thumbs up button down below. I know it's a boring session with the holidays and the end of the year and stuff, but still able to squeak out a little trade here. I'm actually gonna, just in case we have the act of God here, able to squeak out a little trade. So not totally wasting an hour, right? Up 280 right now, unrealized after an hour of sitting around. Could be worse. So make sure you press the thumbs up button down below. Buyers still look good here, so I'm not too worried about not getting filled out. I think I do get filled out. Like, what, 3 points away? But buyers are looking pretty good. Buyers have looked really good this whole move. We had this little ligma right when I first got in, and then since then, they've looked fantastic. That's why I've just been actually, like, super mellow on this whole trade. I love trades like this, honestly, where you can just kind of sit back and do nothing because everything looks good, and you just kind of sit around and wait. It just takes a long-ass time. I've been in this trade for like, what, 20, 25 minutes? So it takes forever, but you're not really doing anything. You're just kind of sitting on your hands waiting for it to happen. Got a block at 30. Hey, there we go. Nice. All right. 22 points. From value area low to value area high. Red to green rotation there on the Nasdaq. Can we push higher? Absolutely. This is just a safe exit, in my opinion, is value area high. We do have VWAP and the swing low at like 34, 35. Also makes a lot of sense, in my opinion. Wouldn't be shocked to see us push 4 or 5 points higher. Maybe we push higher all day. I don't know. That's just a safe exit for me. 22 points on a day that is very slow. I will take.